Good evening, everybody. July 31st, 2021. Let's take a look at what Bitcoin is doing here. Said last night on the video I expected it to have a retrace from this zone that it's in. It did come down a little bit overnight, as we saw, and during the day. It is now progressing upwards again. I'm not fully convinced of this move as, invalidating any of this, to be honest with you. If this presses higher, I just have higher shorts, so I'll be shorting all the way up to 43, almost 44K there, basically, right where that green line is, and waiting for the actual retrace to occur, probably Sunday or Monday. Then we'll have to see how that plays out, but yeah, like I said, I'm not changing my plan as far as shorts go. This still looks like it should be retracing at some point, at a minimum down to 39K, more likely down to 37, and potentially as low as 35. So certainly keep that in mind. We are definitely in resistance here, and that's pretty much all I have to say about it. This could even just do a little double top sort of deal here. I think that's unlikely with this, kind of breakout pattern that it did here. It came up and retested, and it's going up now. I think it's more likely that it's going to progress upwards a little bit more. We'll probably see at least 43 at the top of this red zone, if not a full test of this. 43.8 to 44K downtrend line there. So I would be surprised if we just broke through this, and that would be a reason to stop out for sure, and then look for a retrace. I mean, I really wouldn't expect a retrace just to be that shallow to come down and hit here, but it's certainly possible that it does just keep grinding upwards. And the only way that we can try to figure out what it's doing then is just see how far up it goes before it actually fully retraces, and then move these zones. Like this zone should be 3 in here, and we're coming down to 4. So we could extend upwards to the 1.764, we could extend upwards to the 2.0, and as we do that, then we'll move up the target for the next retrace. But make no mistake, there will be a retrace. It's just a matter of how much this wants to extend, if in fact it does extend upwards. Like I said, I still am under the impression, the assumption that we will be getting a retrace before breaking this green line. I just don't see it having the strength to get through there quite yet. So shorts, in my opinion, are still the place to be for the moment. And if it stops out, it stops out. I'm heavily exposed to crypto in spot markets anyway, so it really doesn't matter to me. This is a short hedge on leverage, so that's really the only thing that I'd be doing here. I wouldn't be buying spot here. I wouldn't be leverage long here for sure. Only thing I'm willing to do is the short, little short leverage that I have here with a stop above like 44.5 is probably a decent stop at this point. So, all right, that's the quick update. Tomorrow morning is the members only update on the extensive list that I have. It's somewhere over 30 charts that I'll be looking at tomorrow morning, and we'll see what the state of the market looks like at that point. All right, good night, everybody.